Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Quinn here and I'm back at you with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can learn to use the Goldwave application with your screen reader. But as usual, before we get into the video, please be sure to like the video if you love the content, subscribe if you're new, and turn on my notification bells to be alerted whenever I post the next video. Alright, now let's get into this video because this will be a real quick one. Earlier this week, I posted a video apologizing for my absence and requesting some feedback for you guys on what videos you want me to do. One of the top suggestions was a tutorial on the Goldwave editing software. Well, I would be honored to do a tutorial on the Goldwave editing software for you guys, but my friends over at the Jamaica Society for the Blind already have a 4-part series on Goldwave. So given the fact that they already have an awesome series and tutorial on the Goldwave application, teaching you how to use it with your screen reader, I'm not going to do it over. I'm only going to show you guys how to get to their videos. And if you're wondering, yes, I did get their permission to make this video. Now, the links to each video, so part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4 will be down below in the description of this video. But how do you get down into the description, you may ask? Well, let me show you quickly. So obviously, right now you are watching the video. To show you an example, right now I'm going to go onto one of my YouTube videos. Then I'm going to go into my focus mode, press K to pause the video, then switch back into browse mode. Welcome into the world of HTML. 3. Boot up.
Okay.
Awesome. Now, once you're in browse mode and you're on my video, you can then click your N key to jump down to the description.
Clickable main landmark clickable. Welcome back to my brand new HTML series.
And there you go. We are right down in the description. Then you can search for the links. So I think I have a link in this description. So let me down arrow and look for it.
And design links on your notification. Selfish. Thank God for send your blank link to the transcript for this video. Link HTTP.
Alright, now let me click on it.
Untitled Google Chrome the videos the Quinn.
And there you go, it redirects me. So that is how you get down to the description of my video and you can have access to the links. And just before we close out this video, let's give you a sneak peek preview of that Goldwave tutorial series that my friends over at the Jamaica Society for the Blind have to offer.
JSB Tech Tips.
Jamaica Society for the Blind's Tech Tips.
Hi! Thanks for joining us again for another in the series, Tech Tips. This week, we're going to be taking a look at a very user-friendly software which is used to do...
Okay.
And that is it for the sneak peek. So guys, go ahead, watch their Goldwave tutorials, and please, don't be mean, don't be selfish. Leave a like on their videos, subscribe to their channel, and check out some more of their awesome tech tip videos. Well, that is it guys for this video. As I said before, I would have been honored to do these tutorials for you, but I'm not gonna do them over since my friends already have it done, okay? So go ahead and watch their tutorials and let me know what you think. And once again, remember to leave your feedback down below in the comments on my videos so I know what videos you guys want me to do and so that you can encourage me to continue doing what I'm doing. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.
Instrumentals have been provided by...
If you need instrumentals, recording, mixing or mastering, maybe a music video, photo shoot or graphic designing, need bouncy castles, face painting, popcorn, cotton candy or characters for the kids? Want to do online or offline promotion, maybe both? Let's print your t-shirts and everything else. Here at Inner Sanctum Entertainment Limited, we got you covered. Reach us on FB and Instagram at Inner Sanctum Entertainment Ltd, YouTube at Inner Sanctum Entertainment, and Twitter at iSanctum Studios. Or call us at 1-868-338-4123. That's 1-868-338-4123.